My name is Glenn Sibawang Palampangan. Memorizing the 3 sets of 10 commandments of safety driving. First is, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. 2. I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. 3. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intention. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playground, hospital, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. 8. I do not clear my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the right of every driver and pedestrian. 10 Commandments of Road Safety. First, you shall not use at thy phone. Second, you shall not throw trash out of the window. Third, you shall not or never drive intoxicated. 4. You shall not take it any chance. 5. You shall buckle up the gates. 6. You shall not drive on the bright. 7. You shall not drive in moonlight or with faulty lights. 8. You shall not adhere to the speed limit. 9. You shall keep the distance. 10. You shall practice patience. 10 Commandments of Traffic. First is keep right. 2. Observe road courtesy. 3. Prohibited parking. 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. 5. The bus stop roll, lining up on the bus stop zone. 6. Roll to prevent or undergo traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measure. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come, first serve vehicle. 9. On pedestrian. And the last, number 10, remember the international driving safety reminders. Thank you.